Driving lesson, driving school, NYC. Hi folks, just been here with Pierre driving school. So if you're living in the NYC area, you need a driving school to help you with all your driving needs. Look no further at Pierre driving school. We're gonna take care of you here, right? Today we're gonna do a driving lesson. We're gonna cover, as always, our left and rights and things that are for us to do while we're driving. Not only that, to be safe on the road, and also we can show you the tip and things that they're off for you to do as you're doing your road test, things that the DMV examiner are looking for, and in order for you to be able to deliver to the highest of your performance. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And this channel here, we all in about driving. Anything with driving related, put in the comment below. That's when we have most of our video topic coming from. We posted here we posted here 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we do morning every morning, answering the question that you guys ask. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for giving us the opportunity to get a library of driving videos so broad because of the question that you asked in the comment. With that said, let's continue with our lesson. As always, we cover left and rights, do's and don'ts, things that we're supposed to be on the lookout for, not only when we're driving as a driver, as well as a student, thing that we be on the lookout for when you're going for your road test and anywhere in the state that you're living in. Driving is driving, whether you drive here, whether you drive in LA, whether you drive in Atlanta, driving is driving. The state regulation might be different, but it doesn't change how you make left turn, how you make right turn, how you accelerate on a car. It's all on applying the rules and regulation thereof in that state. Most of the state, however, the signs are similar, if it's not the same. With that aside, let's continue with the driving, the observation of left and right here at Pierre Driving School. Making a left turn at the light here. Okay, mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn. You do not want to touch on the yellow line, all right? Nice and smooth. Whenever you're turning, you need to look back to make sure that you cover the blind spot. Okay, the blind spot is the spot that you cannot pick up in the mirror. The only way to cover them is by looking over your shoulder. A lot of people get this confused. We want to make sure we get that together for you, right? Always making sure that you're covering all your blind spots. Very, very, very important. When you're stopping, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground, or if not, you follow too closely. One of the criteria DMV will determine whether you're gonna go home with your license or whatnot is the way that you're following those traffic. Because if you're following too close, then that's gonna considered as impeding the traffic flow, of which you do not want to happen to you while you're doing your road test. In fact, if you even tailgating people as you're driving on the regular, police can give you a tailgating ticket, and they're gonna add point to your license, of which you do not need. You see, I'm falling back because my intersection is not clear. I'm not gonna drive if I don't see enough room ahead for me to proceed. Now I got some room, then I continue to drive. Forward planning all of your move, all right? Forward planning all of your move. Driving lesson, driving school NYC is the topic for today. All right, you guys see we got all the topics here because if you've done your road test already, let me know where did you do it if you're in the New York area. Okay, also what do? We cover a mock road test here, right? What is a mock road test? Let's say I'm falling back. Do I have enough room? Yes, I do. Let's continue to move. A mock road test is an evaluation to see if you're road test ready. And oftentimes, because you're driving doesn't mean that. You see, here come trouble gonna come on the left. Trouble coming on the left, cut everybody off. Anyway. Because you're driving doesn't mean that you're road test ready, because DMV has a way that they want you to drive. So in the mock test, what do? We evaluate your level, the level of driving, and we'll let you know things there for you to work on, or things for you to have to worry about it too much. So basically, it's a overview of the driving test, road test, if you will, to see that if you really road test ready, right? Myself, I thought I was road test ready until it took me 3 tries to take the road test before I finally passed. That's when it comes to my understanding. It's not about driving. is how they want you to drive to pass the test. They need to understand that it changes everything, right? Everything that I went to a driving school and get 10 lessons, and I was able to pass the test. Although I did 10 lessons, I was able to pass it on the third try. Can you guys imagine? Otherwise, you're gonna keep trying until one day you eventually quit or pass it. Then from there, you will be like, oh wow. Forward planning all the moves. Traffic ahead isn't clear. I'm not gonna go over. Otherwise, I'll get caught up in the traffic. I got enough room. It started moving. I'm moving along. Reason why? Because the next light is green, so this one should be moving shortly. In fact, as a student, where we're supposed to be on the right side of the road, signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, go to my right side, and from there we continue to drive. As simple as that. See, folks, forward planning the moves. As I was driving, I see the right side open. I'm supposed to be on the right side anyway. Since the road gonna split, by myself, I move over to the right. These are the level of delivery the examiner are looking from you as you're driving, all right? Forward planning your moves. Already know what all your moves going to be while you're driving on the road, taking the road test. When you're driving by yourself, then you make this decision that make sense, that are safe for you and for other people around you, however. But as you're taking your road test, there's certain things they wanted to see for you to deliver while you're doing the road test. Those are the reasons why we have to make sure that we get those things together. Otherwise, we're gonna have to keep doing the test, and it is what it is. That's what we have to do, right? So just want to make sure that we cover this and let you know those things, all right? So like I said again, anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where most of our video topics are coming from. We are in New York City, Brooklyn, New York. That's where we're based out of, but we cover the entire New York area. You saw I was slowing down? Reason why? I see the traffic ahead, kind of was slowing a little bit. I want to know what's going on. Forward planning my moves. I don't want to come here and get stuck. See? Always looking ahead to see what's going on. All the way stop sign. At the corner, right turn. All right, shoulder right. Why is it slowing down? Okay, the human stop. We continue to go. See what I did? I did the eye contact, and the human stop. We continue to go. All right, folks, we come to our destination. We're gonna pick our student. We're gonna pick our student off. All right. So this been here driving lesson, driving school, NYC. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye bye.